How to get refund on your eldorado.gg. So hello guys, welcome back to my YouTube channel. In this video I'll be showing you how you can easily get a refund on your eldorado.gg account. So first thing first, simply head over to eldorado.gg and make sure you're signed in with your account. And once you're signed in, inside here, before that, make sure you read the terms and condition of for the refund policy of Eldorado itself. As you can see here, all sales are final on Eldorado and there are no refunds unless the item is not delivered or not as described. If this is the case, the buyer will receive a full refund. The buyer can request a refund by going to the order page and filling in a complaint. Alternatively, buyer can contact 24/7 live support on the bottom right corner of the site. The refund process can take up to the 1 weeks. So first, what you can do is simply head over to your orders section, and as you can see, I don't have any orders. If you have one, you can simply, if it hasn't been delivered, as you just read on the terms and condition, you can simply order for the refund policy, or alternatively, you can just simply come back to the homepage of the eldorado.gg and you can simply scroll down from here. Like this, and as you can see, there is the option called 24/7 live support. You can also chat with them from here about refund and return policy, like this, and that should solve your case sooner or later. So hope this helps. If it helpful, don't forget to like and subscribe to the channel. See you in the next one.